Hi, I'm Christina. I'm a software developer at TASKA Prosthetics. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a backup of the settings of your hand on the MyTASKA app. If you want to save the current settings of your TASKA hand, you can create a backup. Once you are connected to your TASKA hand, you are able to go into the settings page of the app. Tap where it says Backup and Restore and you will be taken to the Backups page of the app. If you want to restore your hand from a previous backup, choose from the list of previous backups you have made and press Restore. Backups are saved to your profile, so if you log into a new device or reset your current one, your backups will be available in the app. For more information on how to use the MyTASKA app, check out our other videos on YouTube. And for more information about TASKA Prosthetics, check out our website.